If you own a property in New Albany, Ohio that's occupied by tenants or maybe a family member or even a squatter in a worst case scenario, whatever the case may be, and you want to sell this tenant occupied property in New Albany very easily and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we have been buying tenant-occupied properties in and around New Albany, Ohio. We're locals. I don't live far from New Albany, Ohio, and we have been working with people just like you, buying these properties, and people love working with us because we're going to make it extremely easy. If this property is tenant-occupied, we will handle everything. If there's an eviction that needs to happen, we can buy the property and take the eviction wherever it is, wherever it stands. We're not relying on you to handle anything legal. We can take over wherever the property stands right now to make it super easy for you. And we're going to buy this property in its as-is condition. So what that means is when we're buying your tenant-occupied property in New Albany, Ohio, we're not going to have a formal appraisal. We're not going to have a nitpicking inspection. I don't care if this is the cleanest tenant in the world. I don't even know if that exists, but every property that's lived in is going to need some repairs. You don't need to do any repairs, and our offer is not contingent upon you making repairs to the property before we can close. We're a true cash buyer, and that's important because we can close on your timeline. So if you need to close quickly or want to close quickly, let's do it. We can make it happen. It's a true cash purchase. There's no bank involved. So there's no approval needed. There's no formal appraisals and surveys and all this stuff that happens with a traditional buyer. None of that. We're a true cash buyer. Or if you need flexibility, meaning if you need something to happen in your life before you can close on this property, or if there's family members involved, whatever the case may be, if you need flexibility, we have the opportunity to do that for you as well. We can accommodate your needs, whatever they may be. So give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com if you have a tenant-occupied property in or around New Albany, Ohio. We look forward to the opportunity to speak with you and keep this extremely simple, treat you with respect. When we get on the phone, we're going to make you a fair cash offer for the property. If our offer works for you, fantastic. If it doesn't, that's okay too. We can shake hands and part as friends. You have nothing to lose by giving us a call or going to our website just to fill out a form and see what we can do for you. We look forward to the opportunity to speak with you. So that number again is 614-300-5151, and our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. You can discreetly jump online, fill out a form. We'll give you a call, and whatever works for you. And we look forward to the opportunity to speak with you, and we look forward to the opportunity to work with you.